boys Shahan, and today I'm back with another video. And today I'm doing some train here in Lisbon. I think at Oriente. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but if I'm not, then I hope I get a correction in the future. I'm just going to say Oriente. Today I'm transporting at Oriente. Obviously I do not know any operators here in Lisbon. My time in Lisbon so far has been amazing. I'm looking forward to seeing what trains are going to come here, what classes. And yeah, so guys, let's see what should turn up. Let's get started. Okay, down here in the distance we have something arriving in. The train's looking very lovely. It's like it's a long train. I think this train has around maybe 10 coaches minimum. I think it's got around 10 coaches. And I think this one here, this one's been here for a while now, so it should be getting ready to depart now with 2380. Here's this one arriving in. Yeah, I think this has got around 10 coaches in it, and this one departs crossover. And 23539's on the rear on this one. Triple threes on that one, and 23039s on the rear of this one. Off that one depart. As you can see there, here's the station, Oriente. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a very nice looking station. Here's the other platform, and then here's this platform here with this train over here, and there goes that one. And we'll catch this one when it departs. Okay, arriving in now. It's going to be something arriving in. This train's only got around maybe 3 or 4 coaches. This train to me looks a bit like a metro train, even though it isn't. Lol. Does look a bit like one. This one's got 4 coaches. $35.70. Combos de Portugal is what it says on it. There arrives behind 23333. There it stops, you can see its pantograph. There we go. Okay, arriving in now. Looks like it's gonna arrive on this platform over here, so if I just move down here, we have a different train now coming in. Very sunny around here today in Lisbon. There's the sun. 560083. It's reminding me of trains from France. If any of you lot remember, about a year ago when I trainspotted at Paris Gare du Nord. Some of these trains coaches look similar to the other ones. Here's this one, we'll catch it when it departs. Okay, now here we have another one coming in. With sirens as well. In the background here we have 560705. There's these ones. Catch them when they depart. Now we have another service coming in. This is the 1241 service going to that destination there. I have no idea how to pronounce that, but that's where this one that's just arrived in is going. We'll catch you when it departs. And here we have another one, which is the 5th train. Oh, let me just move here. Don't know what they're doing with that. And then, as you can see, down here we have another train coming station starting to become busy. So I turn around here. There, that one departs 2 minutes late, going to the destination that says on the board. And then if I turn here, we have, I think this is waiting to arrive in, as you'll see in a second. This service now heads out. Yeah, that one down there is definitely waiting, yeah, for this train to cross over. But once this one has crossed over, then that one will arrive in. I must say that the tracks still are lovely, as well as the signals as well. There it goes. Okay, now the one that was waiting at a red signal now comes in. As here we have this one coach train coming in. It's looking like it's gonna come in on this platform and attach there where that man is standing. It's gonna be attached to it. And here's this one. Here's this one attaching into it. Don't worry guys, it's not going to hit the person, lol, it's not going to hit him. Here's this one. And if I come this way, you can see something else approaching, and as this one now departs, this one should be departing. This is a double-decker one. By the way guys, I forgot to mention, that video at Garden Hall was 2 years ago, either 2 or 3 years ago, not a year ago, my mistake. And here, over here, this looks like an Intercity service. This looks like an Intercity Portuguese train. Nice to see some Intercity trains. Out departs this one. I must say I did not expect many trains to come to this station, because this station, to me, looks like a quiet station, but it's actually not. It just takes a little while for more trains to start coming at this station. And here's this service with a rubbish bag rolling on the track. Amazing. And there's this one. And there departs that one. Okay, and arriving in now is another double-decker train. Coming in quite fast. And then over here, just behind the person that's standing close to the edge of the track, is another service coming in. I think the Intercity service should be getting ready to depart. Yep. Off departs the Intercity service. Speed limit out of the station must be really slow. And also departs. Well, it just suddenly stopped. No idea why that happened. But out departs this one. And it's actually got mirrors like a car, big mirrors like a car, as you can see here. That's a very cool feature to have. I think all trains should have this type of feature, or more trains often in Europe should have this. It's a very cool feature. Should be clear to go. The signal's turned green now for it. And then we have another service coming in. A different train now, another different service. Just stand in the middle here so I can get a great shot of the trains. Departs this Intercity service. You can definitely tell when trains are intercity, because most of them have only one door on them, not like regional services. So that's definitely an intercity train. There that goes. And here's this one still here. Okay, and just a few seconds after I paused, this is now departing. Well, it's still at a red signal. Hopefully if I change this to green in a second. I'm not too sure though why the driver would choose to go when he's still at a red signal. That's very unfamiliar. Now it's going to stop again, isn't it? Very unfamiliar. But if I turn around here, off departs this service. I believe that as I'm looking at the coaches of this train, it's empty. No passengers on it. So I'm guessing it's probably going back to a depot. This one can go since it's on a double yellow. Off that goes. Okay, as this departs, now this is going to be the final train in this video. This service now departing. Very slowly, as always. And as that departs out to wherever it's going, this is going to be the end of this video. So guys, this station was a lovely station for me to visit in Lisbon. Just the scenery of it, the look of it, everything of it is very, very lovely. The buildings, the views, as you can see, everything of it is just lovely. The trains are lovely too, and the weather was lovely too. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.